I had 5 on the top and then 5 on the bottom, and I had it done about 6 months ago, and everything went really well, the implant so far. I had very soft teeth. Had to have several of them removed, and I've had the crowns put on, and just kept losing them, and it just got to be where I couldn't chew very well, especially losing your back molars was very difficult. So I knew I had to do something different. I did start out with dentures. It wasn't my first choice, but I thought I'd give them a try, and I absolutely hated them. So I started checking and looking into getting the implants. I did some research and then found EON Clinic and come to visit, and felt very comfortable and decided this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go with the implants. It was great, really. I came in and they, any questions that I had, they answered them, and I felt comfortable with all the staff here. They were super good about, letting me know what was going to take place and how long it was going to take, and so I'm very, very pleased with them. It was really nice. I had an anesthesiologist with me, which they introduced me to. I had a nurse. She took care of everything as far as getting the tests set up that I needed to prior to my surgery here. She was with me the whole time in the room. And when I woke up, they even had a smoothie for me. So that was really nice of them. And they just kept watching my blood pressure and monitoring me and everything. And everything went smoothly, so I was well pleased. Just to be patient. It does take time. And, don't worry so much. I know money is a big thing, but try not to worry too much about the investment because it's in your body. It's, you use your teeth every single day. And you really need to be able to chew and be able to live a full life, and then you get that beautiful smile at the end, and it's all well worth it. I was a little self-conscious of it just because of losing several teeth. I didn't do a whole lot of smiling just because of that reason. Even when I went out to eat, I was kind of like apprehensive a lot of times because it took me longer to eat than everybody else, But now I have these beautiful teeth and I'm on my merry way. Well, I can smile a lot more. I can eat better and my digestive system's better just because I can chew things, and I get compliments all the time. My self-confidence has been boosted, so it's been a great journey.